You should hold it out for the hold on where it's going to fill. Monica.
Pretty.
Oh, there's a loud one.
Somebody's looking at that.
Woo, these are riveting.
Well, the drive.
Firework boobs. I was just gonna say that, no way. Yeah, hardcore.
I like the green ones with the red nipples that were earlier. Did you see those?
No.
They were hot, those.
Like those?
Kind of, but they were green and there was two of them.
Oh, sad.
One was bigger than the other, though.
Did it have cancer?
No, it just naturally one's bigger than the other.
Oh, sad.
You can ask anyone.
It's like when your one testicle hangs lower than the other one.
Kinda.
Oh.
One of your boobs is bigger than the other.
Oh, snap. These are pretty ghetto, Nick, though.
Just wait. They were better earlier, the video before.
Shit.
Just wait, they'll get good.
So I think I'll say...
You like the fireworks, Carson? They're neat,
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah.
Wow. It's gonna go to hell for making fun of a little kid.
Oh, probably there. I came with my rosary the other day.
Everybody was all staring at you.
What, when I said that?
No, when you were walking through.
What, when I was walking through?
Oh wow, it's pretty. When we were walking through the fair or whatever.
Everyone was staring at her.
No, it's just like I saw this one chick, she like did a double take. I'm like, that's right. Hey Mika.
Pretty puppy.